The following video is going to show you how to change the wheel hub assembly on a 2004 Ford Expedition. The process is the same for 2003 and up. Enjoy. The first step, as you can see already, is to remove the tire. You have your disc brakes and your brake assembly. The first thing you're going to remove is your brake assembly. The main tools you'll need for this job is a 18mm opened in and closed in wrench and an 18mm socket wrench. The first step is going to be to remove the brake assembly. You notice there's one bolt here and another bolt down here, which I have my finger on. Both of those are 18mm. The hub assembly will be removed by these 4 bolts located in the back, also 18mm. But first we're going to remove the brake assembly, which just has 2 bolts. The following is a view from the top facing down onto the brake assembly. Use your 18mm socket to remove the bolts. The top bolt and the bottom bolt. Again, this is the brake assembly. I've turned the wheel where the brake assembly is being pushed outward so I can have more view and I can give you a better view. Right now I'm removing the top bolt on the brake assembly. And now the bottom bolt. Also, you want to take note, this is the wiring for your anti-lock brakes. Make note of where it's going so you can get disconnected. Bottom bolt removed. Now removing the top bolt. Now you can remove the brake assembly. This is a better view of the brake assembly as you remove it. Just pulls right off. I'm going to set that up here. I'm going to set it up in such a way that it doesn't leave pressure or any tension on your brake line. So you can set this up and then use like a wire hanger or some of that nature to hold it into place. Once that is removed, you want to remove your disc rotor. Hold on. You want to take something that's wooden, so you can tap on your rotor to loosen it. That way you won't have to worry about damaging anything. One bad thing about the Fords, they really rust up really bad right here in the middle.